So this f will be what? 2 times of this focal length. This is focal length. F plus f will give you what? 2 times of radius of curvature. This distance is known as radius of curvature. This point is known as center of curvature. This point is known as focus. The distance between pole and focus is known as focal length. Okay, so don't confuse in these terms. Okay, we have a different term for point and for the distance. So this is your x is equals to 2r. Now we have a mirror formula. What is that in mirror formula? 1 upon v plus 1 upon u is equals to 1 upon f. And magnification formula is what? Minus v upon u. And magnification can be found out in terms of height also.
Image height upon image
yes.
object.
Yes, so magnification is what? M is equals to height of a image upon height of object. Fine? Height of image upon height of object. My symbol, I think this symbol you can understand easily. This symbol. So these are the 3 formulas we will use, and sign conventions will be what in convex mirror? Having a habit of making concave mirror, because 5 cases are there. So if you will do practice, so 5 times you will make, and in convex 2 you will make. So yes, in convex mirror, what will be the sign of convention?
Plus.
U object always kept here, so U always be taken as negative. Okay, always image is formed here. Okay, this here always image is formed. Image is formed here. That means V will be taken as positive. Focal length. We are considering here everything it's positive.
And according to the x-axis, if it is lying on x-axis, one should be one coordinate should be negative and one should be positive.
This is positive.
On that side of image, let's say this is our image on this side, one point would be x-axis and one would be y-axis.
You are considering pole as this origin. Pole is considering as origin.
Then that coordinate of image.
This coordinate of image, what will be?
One will be positive, one will be positive on this side.
Positive, positive.
Yes. On that side it will be positive, negative. So negative, positive.
Negative, positive, yes.
Above, on second quadrant, negative, positive.
First quadrant this.
Negative, positive.
Second quadrant this. Third quadrant this. Fourth quadrant.
In second quadrant, negative, positive would be this.
Coordinates will be like this.
So why we are taking negative?
Where we are taking negative? U, because this distance. You are keeping your object. This is your. You can say this is your principal axis. Okay. This is you are keeping on principal axis. This principal axis is what? X axis. You are keeping on object on x axis. Let me revise this thing. That can you 50. Where 50 will lie? Here on x axis. If any object is standing on this, okay, you are here applying the coordinates. Okay, you are not happy. I am saying sign convention will be like this, but you can see here 5, 0. That means the object is on x axis. 50 minus 50 means what? Here point will lie. Point will lie here. So similarly, just consider your image also that object also that image object is lying on this line.
And if it is not?
It will be obvious. This is the principal axis. This is the rule only. Why? Because you will do when you will do that experiment. So there is a this is the you can say reference axis. Reference point. You are comparing everything because of this principal axis. So this is the rule. Fine. Only sign I told you. When you started comparing the position in coordinate axis, 2 dimension. So yes, focal length will be positive. What left? Height of the object. Height of the image. Because it is upward in both ways. Fine. So these are the sign convention. It is upward, no? Y-axis.
But it is on that side now.
Y-axis. Now you are considering only this vertical line. Don't compare here the coordinates, okay? I told you that like in a coordinate system, you have a sign convention, you will follow the same. You will not follow the coordinates. Coordinates don't follow. Just look here, this x just only look like number line. Only number line you will, here number line in horizontal way you will consider, number line in vertical way you will consider. So like this, remember. Don't compare both the concept. So here this is the upward, this is upward. So this x is supposed to be positive. This x is supposed to be positive. This is also positive. This x is also supposed to be positive, and this is upward. So both are positive. Fine. So let's do one.
If it was the image was forming below the object,
Then it is negative. Negative. So now let's do one question on based on convex mirror, so that this sign convention will become clear to. Children, don't compare both the, otherwise you will get so much confusion. You will get so much confusion otherwise. Like it is going with what happened? Light is going like this direction, the light is this. Image is like this. Yes, I was telling you about this. Let's do one question based on convex mirror. So, here convex mirror. An object is placed at a distance of in some books, how they consider this upward and downward means they consider in such a way that the g direction, g is always acting downward. Okay, g is always acting downward. So if your line is this image height is upward, then it will be taken as positive, and otherwise it will be taken as negative. In other books, they mean there are some other criteria to remember these sign conventions. It's not like that everywhere you will means I told you in the form of coordinate axis, because I understood like this and it was very easy. So if you will watch any other video or if you will look in any other book, so maybe they have given any other criteria in other books. So they have represent all the direction with respect to the g, with respect to the downward direction and upward direction. So like this, like they are saying right side always taken as positive, left side always taken as negative, or like above from the ground is taken as positive and depth will be taken as negative. So like this also you can see that above from the ground will be taken as positive, depth will be taken as negative. Right hand side will be taken as positive, left hand side will be taken as negative. So there are some other criteria related to the, you can say based on the teachers which they are taking, based on the books that which one concept they are taking. So an object is placed at a distance of 10 centimeter from a convex mirror. Of focal length 15 centimeter. Find the position and nature of the image.
find the
Position and nature of the image. Position means distance. Plus 6, negative 6. Obviously, why you are looking in your book. This is convex mirror. It's supposed to be plus only. Correct. Nature. 6. 5 upon 30 will come. 1 upon v plus 1 upon minus 10 is equals to 1 by positive 15. So 1 by v is equals to, by using transposing method, 1 upon minus 10 will go on the next side. Okay, so it will be minus. So it becomes plus. Look here. Fine. Transposition method. There are two ways. You can solve here this sign here also, or you can say later. Later also you can solve. Minus. Fine. Minus here it is in plus. So minus minus give you plus. Fine. It will come in positive. 15. LCM 30. Where you did mistake? These questions are very confusing, but the good thing is that they have not discussed here length. If they will discuss length, so you will get confusion too much, because in the length same formula is there, but they have changed the sign. 1 upon v minus 1 upon u is equals to 1 upon f is there. I am not telling to you. So it means most students become they got confusion that in which mirror, which formula they are supposed to use. So Maria Vinaya also telling me. In length, 10th class. In next class. In front of a convex mirror. Right, nature also? Nature is what?
Virtual
and
direct definition. Virtual direct and definition. Virtual and inverted definition.
Inverted not will come. Erect. Erect. So okay, now do this question. Find the position and nature. Let me see difficult question now. Let me see difficult question, because you have done these type of question when they are asking about the position. You can mean sometimes they will give you like this also, converging mirror, diverging mirror. What is diverging mirror? Convex mirror. And converging mirror? Concave mirror. Okay. I will give next question. This one is very good. No, nothing is left now in this chapter. Yes. Let me see the answer.
7 by 60. 60 by 7.
Diverging is convex. So sometimes they will not show you, they will not tell you that concave or convex, but they will say given information in the form of diverging and converging mirror. Converging mirror of these sides of object. Calculate position. Focal length. Please take care of the sign here. Take care of the sign in this third question. An object is placed in front of a diverging mirror at a distance of 30 cm, forms virtual and erect image which is 1/5 of the size of object. Calculate position of image and focal length. Don't ignore the sign. Not then tell me.
Convex HI is negative, na?
Height of the image.
Object is positive.
Height of object is positive. Height of object, yeah, you are correct. Yes. Why height will be negative? Height is only the y-axis. So y-axis considered as positive. Making me confused also. Height will not be negative. Yes, Aksa, V will be positive or negative? Achha, positive diverging mirror. Let me show what you have done. Magnification 1 by 5 is equals to minus V is equals to 6. So, okay, fine, it's positive. So why you said negative? It's positive. By 5, okay, then it is 1 by 5 will be magnification. So you want to find out V and U. So again you will apply the 6.
600. Object will be 30, image will be 6.
Height of object is 5x. So 5x is given 30. 30 centimeter. Gibran, again you are becoming confusion in the distance. 30 centimeter is the distance. Huh?
When we take it as x and 5x only, then we will put in formula. We take it as x and 5x, and then we put it in formula. Right?
No, Aksa, your answer is incorrect. 5, no? You told 5. 5, no. Here, this object at a distance, object plays at a distance, object plays in front of a diamond at a distance. Distance is u and v. Distance is u, position is v. You will use both the formulas here. But please take care of the sign.
M is equal to minus x upon 5x.
M is equals to positive 1 upon 5. M will be positive, height of
Minus
image.
v upon u1.
Okay. So first you use this. How you have
No,
used?
first I use h1.
Yes. So you will get 1 upon 5.
Yes.
No? Magnification that will be equals to minus v upon u.
Yes.
U always supposed to be negative.
So that also will be also negative.
Then it will be 1 upon 5. Minus cancel out. That's why again I am saying okay, please take care of the sign. 1 upon 5 minus v upon u. Okay, fine. Minus v, you don't know u is what?
U will be negative.
Minus 30. Now got? So this will cancel out. 30 upon 5, 6.
Now it is negative.
Now why it will be negative? It is positive.
No negative is there.
Where? No.
It is minus v upon u.
Minus v upon minus is there. U supposed to be negative, v supposed to be positive. In convex mirror always v is positive. So minus will cancel out. Fine now.